Hello, how are you? So today I'm gonna be showing you how I clean my brushes. This is crucial, guys. If you're not cleaning your brushes well, you're probably gonna break out. You're gonna get skin irritations. I started doing makeup and I started breaking out really bad, and I was like, oh my god, like what's going on? I came up with my own regimen of how I personally clean my brushes. I will be using my makeup brush shampoo from Sephora. My friend gave me this and I absolutely love it, so thank you. And then I use this little spinny thing to dry them, and it's really cool. It hooks to this like that, so it's like this big. I don't know where the other piece is right now, but we will get to that. And then I have a lot of brushes, but I will be showing you my main brush and how to clean it because it's my everyday brush that I use. So that one definitely has to stay sanitary. Not that these don't, but I usually clean these like in between or after use. But this is cool because I'll show you how to use it. So all you do is stick them through these little things, and it literally holds the brushes through the night. You don't even have to do anything. They're not gonna fall, they're not gonna do anything. And it's very important that you dry them downward, because if you dry them and lay them like this, or you lay them like this, the water is gonna go into the seam, and it's gonna make the glue loose, and your brush is gonna fall apart. So your $40-50 brush that you are investing in is not gonna last because you're not taking care of it the right way. So I'm gonna be showing you how to take care of them, so keep watching and we are gonna go to my bathroom. Alright, so I wanted to give a little video of how I personally clean my brushes. I got this little mat here, I think at TJ Maxx. It was probably like $10. And then I got this little wheel too that I put my brushes on to dry afterward. Just use this. So I always just squirt a little bit, on the brush, just like that. And then you will see, and I put it in water, how it just comes off. I used to wash them like this. And thank goodness I don't anymore, because see how like nothing came up, but when I go like this, it all grids from this little, let me press it down so it doesn't move. The grids from this, like, look, clean all of the brushes. It's kind of crazy. Sometimes you don't think your brushes are dirty, or they feel like they're clean, and like they're really freaking dirty. But of course, I add as needed sometimes. Like, this is my main foundation brush, so I'm sure it's pretty dirty. The water temperature, I keep it at like a lukewarm. I don't put it super hot or super cold, just anything right in the middle. And as you can see, they're still in every grid. Like, this one's more squared, this one has just straight lines, zigzags. Each texture is gonna hit a different spot in the brush, so I always like highly suggest to get like a little mat like this, or they have like little eggs now that I seen, which I used to have one when I worked at Ulta. At the bar, the brow bar, we would use it all the time, and it worked too. So go get you a mat. It's worth it. I personally love this. So yeah, if you have any questions, give me a comment down below, and if you like this, show some love.